What's up, everyone? This is Crown Chrysler Ventura, and we are taking a look at a 2018 certified pre-owned Chrysler Pacifica Touring L minivan. Our certified Chryslers give you peace of mind with 125 multi-point inspection by a certified Chrysler technician, plus extended warranty options. This is black exterior with black leather interior and tan paneling. It's a 7-seater with folding rear seats and is a one-owner, clean CarFax with no accidents. It has a 3.6-liter V6 engine, plenty of power. It has a power liftgate, blind spot alert, backup camera, rear park assist, remote keyless entry, sliding doors, heated seats, touchscreen display, Bluetooth, and more. If you're interested in taking a test drive, come on down, no appointment needed. Call, direct message us, or visit our website for pricing and more details. Thanks. Have a great day.